When I get up here, I don't know where I'm going or what I'm getting into. Whew. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am off up here, heading up into the mountains, see where I can go, what I can find. It's looking like this has burnt over here. Now, last time I was up in this road, I didn't go everywhere up in here, but on this road, that wasn't burnt. All the way across over here too. So we're going to see where we can go up in here. May not go very far. If this is the one that I went with the boys, it got so bad that they didn't want to do it, so we turned around. I don't know that I could have done it or not. I would have to say I probably could have, but it was getting pretty risky. It was real loose rock and sketchy, super steep, and we just backed out and turned around. No need in trashing. We was all on the 300Ls. I think actually once I come with Scott, he was on his 300L, and then once I come with Kevin, he was on his 300L, and I was on my 300L. I've never had the Trail 125 up in here. Now this bike probably won't go as good as the 300L, I don't think, but it is a lot safer. It's more confidence inspiring because you're close to the ground. You just put your feet down. You don't have to worry about falling over so easy. You don't have to worry about clutching it or none of that. So it does make it kind of easy to maneuver. Well, look at them pines. All kinds of pines up in the mountains, up in the low spots in those valleys. Yeah, I say low spot, but it's in the valley, kind of going up the mountain. What's this? Uh-oh, somebody coming out there. That's what that is. No idea. Looks like a Johnny Castaway. Some of you guys might know what I'm talking about. What's this here? Nope, I think that's just what you see. Just a turnaround. A guy told me that this road goes all the way to the top of that mountain. There's a lookout up there. That's what he said. Whether that's true or not, who knows? That's what the guy told me. But he said you can't make it. Most people don't do it because it's too rough. And he's very possibly right. It is, I can tell you now, this is extremely rough up through here. I mean, it is rocks everywhere. There's two ways it shows on the map. I think every way that I went was straight ahead up here. Or sorry, to the left. That don't go nowhere. To the left, and then there's a straight ahead one, which if that's the straight ahead one, surely not. It may be. Because I think this is the way we went. Maybe it turns off. Oh, right here's where it Y's off, I guess. Now I'm thinking I always went left. Gate ahead. No? Well, I guess let's try. I actually don't know. I think I went left. I don't think I went this way. Of course, there I am thinking again. We shall see. This is some sand here. It's deep. Somebody asked how this thing does in the sand. I really don't know as far as going in a lot of sand. I've not had it in a lot of deep sand. It says up here Morgan Spring where I'm going. Let's see if the Trail 125 will go. This rope gets stupid. But the other one does. This is not the one I went on, I don't believe. I'm pretty positive it's not. But we're going to see what the Trail 125 will do. Like I say, it is easier to kind of hang on to this bike than a 300. 300, you're up so tall, it's hard to put your feet down if you get in trouble. Bam! Well, I hit the engine guard there. Slid off in that. This is way steeper than it looks. I can tell you that. It looks flat, I'm sure, on the camera. It don't help running over that plastic pipe. I'm glad there is somewhat of an engine guard on the bottom of this thing. And how good it is, but factory 10. Holy cow. This is like rough as a cob. The little Trail 125 keeps going now. Mind you, I'm not stock gearing and not stock tires. I do have these a lot rougher tires on here, and I have, oh wow, what we got here? And I have a 45 tooth rear sprocket, so gearing is different. I don't know which way to go. There's a kind of a trail. It's not shown on the map, none of these. What? Uh-oh. I don't think I'm going anywhere this way. Maybe walk trails. Let's see where the other way goes. Nope, I don't think I'm going anywhere that way. There's some kind of a rock thing built right there. That looks like it goes on up that way. And I'm just not on it. It looks like one goes that way, but, well, yeah, it may. It goes a little further than the other one. I can see it going up through there. I guess we'll go see what this one does first. If I can make it. The thing about it, you ain't got too much power. Power is not going to get you in trouble on a Trail 125. Might not get you out of trouble either. Uh-oh. That's the end of this one. Okay. We're learning, guys. Look at that mountain. It is rough. There's all pines up in there on those mountains. We'll go the other way. Morgan Spring we may not be able to get to. It's like right here. You just got to get out and walk out there to it, I guess, wherever it is. But we don't want to walk, do we? Well, we got a billy goat we're riding. A mountain goat. Let's see this way. It looks rough too. Ooh. It's gonna get hot today too. Right now, 74 degrees, but I think it's supposed to get like 92 today. Holy mackerel. I do think this is the one I went on. I don't know. It looks like it, but I just don't remember that pipe up the middle. It shows it goes up there to that Morgan Spring. Let's just see. We'll never know if we don't go. That is a iron pipe running down through here. This is super steep. The old 125 is straining. It's going, but it's straining. It's getting bad. So loose, so steep. I don't know if I'm gonna make it any further. I might if I stand off here and kind of walk with it. Maybe easier. Maybe not. Goodness, this is stupid. When I get up here, I don't know where I'm going or what I'm getting into. Whew. Too much. Too steep. I mean, we're up on a side of a mountain. Sorry about the breathing. I'm pooped. Goodness. That's a workout. I'm wore out. Goodness. I'm beat. I don't know. I think I have to let this thing cool down. Because this thing is air cooled and there's no air moving out here going this slow. I'll rest a minute, I'll come back. Oh, mercy. I took about probably a 15-minute break. So look at these mountains up in here. Wondering how in the world, how far they run these steel pipes up in here to a spring somewhere. It's crazy. I've been going a long ways and that pipe's still going. So, trying to decide whether to turn around or keep on keeping on, but it's probably just gonna get rougher. But this is definitely the worst mountain climb that I've had the CT on. It's actually too much, more than it needs. Like I said, this is air cooled, so when you're just idling around, air cooled will get a lot warmer than a water cooled bike will. We'll go on a little bit maybe. But keep momentum going. She goes pretty good if you can keep that momentum up. That's it, buddy. There's no way I'm climbing that. No way. That's like straight up ledge right there. It just gets too rough. I barely popped up over that. Now I got to figure out how to turn this thing around. What a mess. And this stuff is so loose, it just slides when you get on it. You can't hardly get on that. It just breaks away and you just slide. It's real loose stuff. Sandy. It's not really, it's kind of sandy, but it's like a real fine gravel mixed with dirt and sand. Now I gotta go back down this stupid thing. Whew. Too much. Huh. It ain't real hot yet, but the shade feels good. So, anyway, I'm going to end this video here. I'll make another video going on out in case we run into anything. I'm definitely wore out. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe down below. We got more adventures on the way. Catch you on the next adventure. Right on.